Hello, I'm John, the creator of Hive and the distributor for Vektorace in the UK. So we're just doing a quick video just to show you how to construct your cars. So these are the little cars, so you pop them out, as you can see. They're little bits of paper, cards really, not bad. So the best thing to do is to get yourself clean piece of paper just to put it on. First you fold it all together. So start off by folding the sides like that, the big sides. Fold that one and that one. Then you've got these grey areas here, just fold them up. Okay. Fold the other one up. So you've got two. So basically if you sit it down it will sit like that. You can see that. Then you've got the windscreen area, the back windscreen. You can just bend that down so it flaps down. Then you bend the other side as well. That flaps all the way down. They've got little creases in them, so it helps you where you're bending them. Then you should have something like that, you can see. And then you fold the windscreen in a bit so it does a little kink in it like that, and do the same through the front side of the car. So if you can see, does that. Then you can fold the back where the lights are, that folds right down, and the front bits where the lights are, there's a crease there, go with the creases, bend that down as well. Okay. Then if you can see, you won't be able to see it on the camera, but there's little folds with numbers on them. So these actually where the glue goes and sticks the car together. So you start to fold these in, fold all of them inwards. There's one, little one there. There's a bigger one there. Fold them all in, the back ones, all these little ones here. You do get 16, or 2 sets like I said before in the last video. So if you do go wrong, you've got a whole new set of 8 cars. So you're not going to go wrong with 8 cars, but it's quite easy. When you take a bit of patience, you don't want to rush it. It's not the kind of game you can just get out of the box. So you just fold it all in, just make sure it all fits together as a car. So as you see that, if I glued that together as it is there, it will be a car. Okay. So you start off, and they're numbered. So you've got 1, you get yourself some glue. I like to use multi-purpose glue, and I usually just put a little bit on my piece of paper there, and I use a toothpick, a cocktail stick, put a little bit on the 1 section, blow it a bit so it dries a bit, and then on this section here I always like to get these one side done before anything else. So you just have that side and that side together, and if you hold it, oh there's a bit there as well I missed out, the little triangle bit there just goes under the windscreen, and as you can see, if you hold it together, that should give you one corner of your car. You repeat the same thing for the other side. Put a bit of glue on this 2. That says 4 I think. So it's not that great, but and there's another 2 there. So you really want to get that front side all done like that. So it just kind of glues together like that. Adjust it, until the glue dries, you can just adjust it here and there just to get it to where you want it. I would normally let that dry a bit before I carry on, but I'm going to show you what the back is like. So the same thing with the back. Now with the back, let's get a little bit more glue on there. I prefer to do all 6 points at the same time. So put a bit of glue on each of the 6 little corner bits. It says something different in the rule book how to construct it, because it tells you to do them separately, but then you have a bit of problems because once you glue one side, it's quite difficult to get the other side in. So it's better if you just do it all at once, if you ask me. Let's glue them all together and hold them in place. Now you should have, and you can see that it's starting to look like a car. And again, I would hold that down and let it dry properly before I go to the next section. But for the sake of the video, you can see the inside of the car. Then you get this reinforcement bar. That's a nice thick piece of card. And with that, just put some glue inside the car. Just on the bonnet and on the back bonnet area. Doesn't matter if you put a bit too much, which I have. And that sticks in that section there, that reinforces it. So that once that goes hard, then that should hold it pretty well. And last of all, once that's all dry, I'm not going to let it dry, I'm just going to do it for the video again. So you can see this bottom section. This again is a nice thick card which fits there on the bottom. Now there's 2 sides to it. There's one which shows you the top of the car and one shows you the bottom of the car, and the front side, make sure you put in the bit that's showing the bottom of the car showing, so you've got all your bottom half of the car, and make sure you've got it facing forward. Okay, so what I would do is again use my cocktail stick, get some glue. Can get a little bit messy. You can put it on either one. You can put it actually on this section if you like, or you can put it on the car. Doesn't really make much difference. I'll just put a little bit on like that and spread it. I'm doing it quickly, but I'm sure you'll take a little bit more time to get it nice. So as you can see there, that fits there. And apart from it not being dry and a bit messy, you've got a finished car. So that's basically how to create your car. So I've done a load, you can see already. So that's 8 there, and this is from another box. And so my name is John Yarney, and that was how to create a car for the Vektorace game.